Apple's 6th generation iPad Air powered by the M2 chip is now available at an all-time low price. But hurry, this offer is for a limited time only. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video informative and subscribe to stay updated and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. Welcome back to our channel, tech enthusiasts. We've got some exciting news for you today. Apple's entry-level 13-inch M2 iPad Air, a device that's redefining the tablet experience, is now starting at a new all-time low of $754. Yes, you heard it right. This is not just any iPad Air, this is the 6th generation model, the first to be powered by Apple's M2 chip. It's available in both 11-inch and 13-inch sizes, and sports a liquid retina display with P3 wide color, true tone, and ultra-low reflectivity. But that's not all. One of the new additions is the 12-megapixel front-facing camera on the landscape edge of the tablet, with center stage for video conferencing and portrait mode for selfies. And let's not forget the 12-megapixel wide-back cam with true tone flash for taking pics and 4K videos. From there, you'll find Touch ID, Wi-Fi 6E, and USB-C connectivity, as well as compatibility with Apple's latest iPad accessories like the Apple Pencil Pro. And here's the best part. We're already tracking notable price drops across just about every configuration in Apple's new M2 iPad Air lineup. So what are you waiting for? This Memorial Day, give yourself the gift of cutting-edge technology at an unbeatable price. But remember, this offer won't last forever. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates. See you in the next one.
I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air.